Today is the 26th April 2020 Monday. Today topic is action planning. An independent worker plan action to accomplish the task in the way that help her or him keep eye on the progress of her work. For action planning, an independent workers use does the following: goal setting. Independent worker can setting their goal, can make their planning, timeline, and time management, can do time management. So in the goal objective known as the equipped with the required input, and independent workers set the goal to achieve short term objectives, medium term objective, and long term objective. In planning, next step is to prepare an action plan in order to achieve the short term, medium term, and long term goal of the assignment. Timeline: in this step, one independent worker to arrange the milestone events and actions in the chronological order, which is called the timeline of the project work. And lastly, time management. Any worker can time management, prioritizing the subject task and identifying which all tasks can be done independently and which all job are dependent on the other subtask. Keeping in the dependency and priority of the subtask in mind, time slot are allotted to them in daily work plan routine while keeping in the mind schedule and overall objectives of the project. Next topic is what quality should be in independent working. A independent worker, there are certain qualities which are independent worker must have. Number one, independent worker should be self-awareness. Independent worker people self-aware people know about themselves without any base. They have a full understanding of their personalities, trait and flaws, their attitudes, strength and weakness. They ask themselves questions such as: do I have the required skill set, or do I need any external help to develop this skill set? Do I have excellent listening skill? Do I take the feedback and suggestions constructively? And after understanding the next topic is independent worker should be motivated. Self motivation is the fire within the light or path or drive as to do and achieve something. If someone does one's job and responsibility without being told to do so, it is their own satisfaction and accomplish, and not as the result of pressure from other or any other outside force. What is self motivation? Self motivation is the ability to do things on your own without being told to do so. It is a fire within that light our path and drives us to do and achieve something. Self-motivated person feel he want to and not he has to any, thus is happily satisfied. Now the next quality are in in the independent worker is how anyone can do self-motivated. Self-motivation technique. Number one, every person can be self-motivated. Decide every day target of our work. Visualize the desired outcome. Play up for strength and interest. Monitor our progress. What is self-regulation? Self-regulation is the act of managing one thoughts and feeling to engage in goal directed actions such as organizing behavior, controlling impulses, and solving problems constructively. Component of self regulation is: number one, willpower, emotion, self control, effortful control. These are the self regulation. What qualities should be? Aware of the own emotions and behavior, willingness and willpower to be regulate self, efforts to regulate self, exercise self control. This is the checkpoint. What is independent working? What are the advantages of independent working? What quality of independent worker have? What is work style of dependent workers, what is self-motivated, what is self-awareness, and what is self-regulation. After checkpoint, your chapter number 2, working independent in second unit, is now completed.